Sailmakers, and thank you to be still with us. I will now let Robin start with the presentation.
Thank you. Good morning. I know a lot of you, but I don't know all of you. So those that I haven't met, I wish I'd like to wish you a successful day. I hope we are able to pass on a little bit of information to you. So it's important that you leave this venue and you feel basically enthusiastic and also that you've learned something. All right. So I'm going to pick up where Philippe mentioned. I've actually basically been working with Mauritius for about 25 years. I've been working with the opposition company for the first 7 years. I think the first time I visited Mauritius was in 1999. And I've been coming most years. There was a gap because one of my associates actually started visiting UDC. So it's been a long journey for me. I want to tell you a little bit about myself as well. So myself, okay, I'm 26 years in the textile industry. I've been working with Multinet for the last 18 years. I've been in the export market for 22 years. I did a calculation that I've traveled 2.7 million miles on aeroplanes. You don't want to beat that, I promise you. All right, I've been 16 years as export manager for Multinet International, and basically 182 business trips where I've left the country for more than a day. Most of them are a week, sometimes 2 weeks. So I've been a lot of time away from home. And I've traveled to 42 countries visiting customers. So I think I've got a little bit of experience to pass over to you guys today. All right. I want to just mention, coincidentally, in 3 days' time, it's exactly 15 years that UDC placed their first order with us. Well done. I went and had a look at my history and looked at the invoicing, and it was the 1st of December in 2008 that UDC placed the order. I kept that for today. All right. Philippe and myself have traveled a long way. I started talking to him in about 2007, and I brought my family over for a holiday in 2008. And then at the end of 2008 is when our relationship and our friendship started with, Multinet and UDC. All right. Basically, I am going to give you guys a brief introduction to fabrics, to the high-density polyethylene fabrics that we manufacture. I just want to run you through the process. I want to run you through the manufacturing process to give you an idea, because what you look at in the samples is very different to what happens in the factory. So what I've got is some information for you guys just to follow. And if you have a difficulty in translating, I'm sure Philippe at a later stage will be able to fill you in on all the details. If I'm talking too fast, please let me know. I will talk a little bit slower. All right. So just a brief thing about Multinet. Multinet International, established in 1964. The company is older than that. The company actually started in 1909, but it wasn't in the HDPE fabrics. We started the fabrics in 64. The shareholders for the company, it's a private company, and Spirit Capital is an investment company, same as MRC Capital. And then management and staff make up about 15% of the ownership of Multinet. And I've got my finger in that little pie. Okay. So I am part of management. I'm part of the shareholders. This company is part of my blood. and it will be until I retire. We employ almost 1,000 people. It used to be a little bit more. We've had a little bit of a layoff over the last couple of months because there's been major problems with the orange industry around the world. So what's happened is we employ about 1,000 people. We've got 2 factories. Oh, they jumped ahead. Sorry. Okay. So Multinet Pty is the holding company made up of 3 sections. Knitex, which you will see on all of your rolls of fabric that you buy. You'll see the name Knitex. That's done by our Knitex factory. SACPRO is the division that actually makes the onion bags, the orange bags. It's a bag division that also manufactures HDPE fabrics, as well as a couple of other products. And Multinet International, that's my little division, and I'm only 4 people in our company. So I've got 2 secretaries, and I've got an assistant sales manager. And on top of that, we have warehousing people that are assigned to my division. And obviously the factory makes specifically for me as well. But my little division is only 4 people. All right, so there's the 1,000 people. Multinet has 2 manufacturing plants. We've got 2 big factories.